Did you know that companies implementing Lean Six Sigma have reported saving an average of $2 million per project? This powerful methodology combines the efficiency of Lean with the precision of Six Sigma to drive exceptional results. Many organizations struggle with persistent quality issues, inefficient processes, and high operational costs. This lack of a structured approach to problem-solving and process improvement can lead to decreased competitiveness and lost market share. At an individual level, professionals often feel ill-equipped to tackle complex organizational challenges. Teams may lack a common language and framework for driving significant improvements, leading to fragmented efforts and suboptimal results. This course addresses these challenges by providing comprehensive training in advanced Lean Six Sigma concepts and tools. It equips participants with the expertise to lead large-scale improvement projects and drive organizational transformation. By taking this course, individuals will master advanced statistical tools, project management techniques, and change management strategies. They'll develop the skills to identify improvement opportunities, lead cross-functional teams, and deliver substantial financial impacts. For organizations, the impact is transformative. They'll see dramatic improvements in quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. This leads to significant cost savings, enhanced market position, and a culture of continuous improvement. On a personal level, participants will gain highly sought-after skills that can significantly boost their career prospects. Teams will benefit from having expert leaders who can guide them through complex improvement initiatives. Ready to become a true agent of change in your organization? Don't miss this opportunity to reach the pinnacle of process improvement expertise. Enroll now and learn to drive breakthrough improvements that can revolutionize your organization's performance.